Hi all. How to say hi in different languages? In English, hi. Now we will see hi in Telugu language.
Hi.
Hi. Hi in Telugu language. Hi. Now we will see hi in Hindi language.
Namaste.
Namaste. Hi in Hindi language. Namaste. Now we will see hi in Spanish language.
Hola.
Hola. Hi in Spanish language. Hola. Now we will see hi in French language.
Salut.
Salute. Hi in French language. Salute. Now we will see hi in German language.
Hello.
Hello. Hi in German language. Hello. Now we will see hi in Italian language.
Ciao.
Ciao. Hi in Italian language. Ciao. Now we will see hi in Portuguese.
Oi.
Oi. Hi in Portuguese. Oi. Now we will see hi in Chinese.
你好.
Ni hao. Now hi in Chinese. Ni hao. Now we see hi in Arabic language.
مرحبا.
Marhaban. Hi means in Arabic marhaban. Now we will see hi in Russian language.
Привет.
Привет. Hi in Russian language. Привет. Now we will see hi in Japanese language.
こんにちは.
Konnichiwa. Hi in Japanese language. Konnichiwa. Now we will see hi in Korean language.
안녕.
Annyeong. Hi in Korean language. Annyeong. Now we will see hi in Tamil language.
வணக்கம்.
Vanakkam. Hi in Tamil language. Vanakkam. Now we will see hi in Urdu.
Hello.
Hello. Hi in Urdu. Hello. Now we will see hi in Gujarati.
Hi.
Haya. Hi in Gujarati. Haya. Now we will see hi in Filipino.
Hi.
Hi. Hi in Filipino. Hi. Now we will see hi in Nepali.
Namaste.
Namaste. Hi in Nepali. Namaste. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.